Hello everyone. In the previous lesson, we learned how to write the thesis statement of an argumentative essay. It is the main argument of the essay. It is the writer's stance on a topic. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to write the topic sentences of the argumentative essay. It is the point. It is the P of a PEE method. Let's learn about this further. Now, before we get started about the PEE method, let's remember. So the thesis statement of the essay is the main argument of the argumentative essay. And it has two main parts: a point or an opinion, and the reason or justification. This could be facts. Now, look at the following examples and decide which of them is a fact, an opinion, or an argument. Let's see. So, number one is an argument, number two is a fact, and the last one is an opinion. Let's consider the following thesis statement for an argumentative essay. Physical education should be mandatory for all students in school because it makes them healthier and makes them study better. The point is, physical education should be mandatory for all students. And for the justification, we have two reasons. Reason one is because it makes them healthier, it makes students healthier. And reason number two is it makes them study better. Now, for each reason, we're going to have a body paragraph. So in an argumentative essay, the main argument is the thesis, it is the writer's stance, and the reasons and the justification are going to be the body paragraphs. In our argumentative writing, we write following the PEE method. What does that mean? P stands for point or an opinion. E stands for evidence, and the second E is explanation. We're going to learn about the E's later, but in this video we're going to study about P, the point. What is the point? The point is the topic sentence of the body paragraph in our argumentative essay. And it is an argument supporting the thesis statement, the main argument of the paper, or in other words, the author's stance. Let's have some more details. In our thesis, physical education should be mandatory for all students in school because it makes them healthier and makes them study better. So because we have two reasons, we're going to have two body paragraphs. And now we're going to write body paragraph 1, which is about reason 1 and the justification in the thesis statement. Doing sport makes you healthier because exercise delivers oxygen and nutrients to your tissues and helps your cardiovascular system work more efficiently. This is the P of our body paragraph. This is the point. And it has an opinion or a point. Doing sport makes you healthier. And the second part is the reason or the fact or the support of that opinion. Now, after the P in a body paragraph, we will have the evidence, we need to provide evidence to our argument, which is the P, the point. And here it's about studies, what studies have shown. And the second E is the explanation of that evidence and how it relates to our topic sentence, the P. And this would be paragraph 1, about reason number 1 in the thesis statement. Let's have another example. Again, the same thesis statement. We've done paragraph 1 about reason 1, and now let's write something about the second reason, or about paragraph 2. Now, I'm going to give you the evidence about it makes them study better, and an explanation about the evidence. And I would like you to write a P, a point, or an argument that talks about how physical education makes students study better. Or in other words, I would like you to write a topic sentence to the second body paragraph. You can pause the video and think of an argument sentence. You can think about an opinion, and you have to add the reason to that. All right, so here's an example. Doing exercise helps you study better because it sharpens memory and thinking. If your answer was similar to this, then well done, you've got it. And this is how we write body paragraphs in an argumentative essay. Every body paragraph has to follow the PEE method. To summarize, an argumentative essay first is going to have a main argument, or the author's stance. And in this stance, we have reasons supporting the opinion of the author. So for example, here we have 2 reasons. Physical education makes student healthier, which is going to be our paragraph 1. And the second reason is it makes them study better, which is going to be our paragraph 2. Each paragraph has to have a topic sentence, or the P part of the PEE method, which is an argument supporting the thesis statement of the argumentative essay, or the author's stance, which is the thesis statement. And the paragraph has to have evidence to support the topic sentence, and finally it has to have explanation of how that evidence applies to our argument. Thank you for watching.